YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel, Paranormal Biker. Today's conversational topic is going to be about Tannerite and 2 pounds of it versus your common stand-up household freezer. Let's get into it.
They win.
Fixing to go get it.
Okay.
Holy shit. Whoa!
Did you see it?
All right. Well, what'd you think about that? That was freaking awesome. 2 pounds versus a freezer? God dog, that freezer didn't even stand a freaking chance. Anyway, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe. Subscribe. And don't you forget to turn on that notification icon. Until next time, guys, y'all take care and have a great day.